Hello, in this video we're gonna check if LENOVO Tab Plus comes with USB cable inside of the box. Here is my LENOVO Tab Plus box and let's begin opening. The lid is off and the first thing we see is the tablet. Let's take it out and see if there's a USB cable inside. On the bottom box you can find safety and warranty guide, then a quick start guide and SD card tray opener. And on the top box you can find a USB cable. It's USB-C on both ends. And there's nothing more inside. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.